Hello student, welcome to Parth Phonic classes. Today we will learn blur plain words. Let's begin. BL says blur. Repeat after me. Blur, blur, blur. Blur ack black. Blur ock block. Blur eed bleed. Blur ank blank. Blur ace blaze. Blur ave blave. Blur o blow. Blurred blurred. Blur uff bluff. Blush blush. Blur ink blink. Blur bloom. Blur is bliss. Blur ock block. Blur blur. Blur og blog. Blur you blue. Blur end blend. Now let's read all the blur words together. Blur ack black. Blur ank blank. Blur ock block. Blur ace blaze. Blur eed bleed. Blur ave blave. Blur of blow. Blush blush. Blurred blur. Blur ink blink. Blur uff bluff. Blur bloom. Blur is bliss. Blur og blog. Blur ock block. Blur you blue. Blur blur. Blur end blend. Great job. Keep practicing blur blend words. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. See you in the next lesson. Bye.